You hear that? That's opportunity knocking.
Opportunity for a first-time home buyer or savvy investor to get into a move-in ready detached bungalow.
Opportunity to get into a central Barrie neighborhood close to all your daily amenities on a super deep lot at a price point that you're not going to believe. All that and more on today's episode. So Brent, today we find ourselves right in the heart of Barrie. We're about as central as it gets, and this location honestly is A1. You have such close proximity to everything here. You're about 5 minutes into Barrie's downtown, where you're gonna find all of our local shops and restaurants. We of course have the incredible waterfront right there as well. Terrific commuter access here. You can be on the 400 highway in about 5 minutes as well. And you're also close to shopping, grocery, as well as other restaurants. It truly doesn't get much better.
No kidding, Adam, this location is AAA, super convenient, but the house we have here is just as phenomenal as well. We've got a detached bungalow sitting on an oversized lot here with a phenomenal backyard. You're gonna love the floor plan here. It is super convenient, an excellent opportunity for you first-time homebuyers or savvy investors. Enough out here, let's get inside and check out our newest listing at 72 Eccles.
Welcome inside 72 Eccles. Now, as we mentioned before, there's a tremendous amount of value and opportunity in a home like this. Now, it's been lovingly cared for by the same owners for the last 30 years, and it's perfectly move-in ready in its current condition. So if you're a first-time home buyer worried about having to spend a whole bunch of money once you get into the market, I can tell you, you won't have to do that here. But also, if you're an investor, there's some tremendous opportunity here as well. The floor plan here is absolutely perfect. We have 2 bedrooms on this level, as well as a 4-piece bath, the large living room that I'm standing in right now, and then that feeds back into your eat-in kitchen and around into downstairs, and also out into your oversized lot that we're going to show you later.
Welcome down to the lower level here now, where we pick up some crucial additional square footage in this home. We've got a fantastic rec space, which is what I'm sitting in right now, a full bedroom, as well as a large mechanical room and some fantastic additional storage space. So no wasted space down here at all. It is just bathing in natural light with these fantastic windows here. And that added convenience, as we mentioned earlier, we have that back door entry just up a short flight of stairs here. So if you're looking to add some multifamily living, you have that ability down here as well.
So Brent, again, just a great starter opportunity here, or again, for those savvy investors, there's some big potential in this property. I think the magic of this one is this extra deep lot that we're sitting on right now. We're 36 wide, 137 feet deep. You can park multiple cars in tandem here. And again, you have these beautiful mature trees and tons of privacy back here. For me, this is what makes this one.
Yeah, I mean, Adam, let's not mess around anymore. We just have a phenomenal home here, a great opportunity, well cared for by this owner. It just does not get any better than that. Now, we're the Knowles Woolsey team. We know Barrie. For more information on this listing and others, check out our website.